Okay, never mind. Hey, come back out. No, come back out and come down right here. Yeah, come back. Hey. It's pretty steep right there. It looks like it'll bury you up. Yeah, babe, come all the way out and come up way over here and come down like this. That way you're straight with it. Yep. You're good. Now just go straight with it now. Touch your wheel hard. I won't flip it. I'm good. You can just ride across with me, I guess. Yeah, I know. Watch yourself, Larry. Oh, you should have stayed in it. Yeah, I know. You're gonna have to hook that tiger tail up to me.
What's that?
You're right, take that.
I don't think I'll be able to. Does her winch work?
It does. Get some more out. Let me get it up on the bank for you. I got enough slack. Think I should just winch to that tree? Think I should just winch to that tree right there to your right? Babe, go grab that green strap in the back of mine. I just hooked that tree to the right there. That tree right there, I'll just hook to it and do like I did the big one and winch myself out. I'm going to winch myself to the tree. Right. Oh!
Come on, Larry. I was trying to help.
Be careful, baby. Remember how this might go down.
No, I'm good. I bet it's hung up. It ain't. Ain't doing it.
Hey, about this one.
It's too much of a different angle.
Got a longer strap?
Yeah.
Yeah, this rope.
Yeah.
You okay?
Of course it's got a longer strap. I know, it's a dumb question. Oh, that's adorable size.
Yeah. Problem is, I'm probably gonna have to hook that tree back there because it's so long. In the trunk?
Brandon, keep coming out with you. Brandon's a fucking man. Get out.
Yeah.
Brandon's a man with his toes out. You got a bulldozer? Just give him and go to the trunk. Dog, I got the other back of the bulldozer. Probably like, you know,
I'm gonna do it.
nice.
Huh?
Well, you don't have to do that like right like that.
It was nice.
I don't believe it. I don't believe you at all.
And then let's jam everything in there. Bring me that rope.
What I'm here for is here to grab your rope.
Appreciate it.
Tug on my rope.
Appreciate it. Oh, stuck it inside down.
Are you sweating?
I'm sweating my ass off.
What do we hook this to?
Back to myself.
Huh?
Back to myself.
I don't want to get trapped. Don't trap me.
We ain't gonna be long enough, huh?
Huh?
So we ain't gonna be long enough to hook back to myself.
Well, you can do it. You can do it. Hold on.
Well, I mean, I can hook here, but I was gonna do a double pull.
You need to what?
I was gonna do a double pull,
Oh, that'll just give you a little.
but this would get me up enough, I guess. The what? I was gonna hook that back to myself and do a double pull. So basically it takes the winch from 3,500 pounds to 6,500 pounds of pull. It doubles your double. Now I thought I had a longer rope. That way I could come all the way back to the full wheeler. But it wasn't as long as enough.
I got you. All right.
Now I get one more across.
I don't make it. The tank will make it. Camp's got to be there. There's a lot of motherfuckers over there. It's probably the same route.
All right, watch this over there. Let me
All
get
the lights over there?
All right, let this thing cool off for a second. With me, I got the other seat.
Just get in the back seat, Ashley.
Hop.
Just get in the back seat.
This is slippery as fuck.
There they are.
Alright, just pull me over for a little bit and then I'll grab the tree or something. Oh, okay. Okay, no, okay, thanks.
It made it, didn't it? It made it, didn't